lot of people are capitulating at this time in the market. And today, man, we're going to go over why crypto.com is really following through with the roadmap and why I see a lot of appreciation coming very soon for crypto.com. We see them actually building out their AI agents. And this was one of the things that they were trying to accomplish in Q1 or Q2, one of those, Q1 or Q2 in 2025. So they're really been building out the roadmap. My previous videos on crypto.com, I was talking about pretty much how they really had 5 major things that they wanted to accomplish in Q1, and they already accomplished 4 of those things, and we are only in the second month of the year. So we still have, a couple more weeks before we enter into Q2 of 2025, and a lot of things are being built out on crypto.com. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to get into CRO price and much more. But before we do, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, man, turn on those notifications so you can get all updates on crypto.com, CRO coin, the Chronos blockchain, and much more. So let's get straight into it, man. Where we at with price today? All right, so we can see right now CRO is at 9 cents, and we are up 5% in the past year. But we go just the past day, we are down 1%, so almost 2% going into it. We are ranked 43. I do still believe that crypto.com CRO coin is a top 25 project. We have been moving down the ranks, but with everything that crypto.com is doing, I think that the value of the actual platform has not caught up with the price. Because if we go back, if we just zoom out all the way going back into 2021, the all-time highs was at 81 cents. So right now we at 9 cents. But back then we didn't have everything that we have now. Truly, that's when the Chronos blockchain first came out. Also, that's when the Staples Center was renamed to the crypto.com arena. And around those times, there was a euphoric moment in the market. There was actually the top of the market when we saw Chronos absolutely take off. And a lot of these things that we have now, like the airdrop arena, that creates less sell pressure for CRO, all of these incentives for holding CRO directly on the app, the rewards that crypto.com offers, those things were not around in 2021. So I do think the value of the platform has yet to catch up with the price, but that just gives us a better buying opportunity. Because if we look market wide, everything is down in the crypto space. And I know a lot of people, we're expecting for crypto just to take off as soon after Trump got elected. A lot of different things happening in the macro environment. But in the long term, I think we're super bullish for the crypto space, in my personal opinion. Just everything that they're putting the infrastructure in. We see a lot of states are now filing for Bitcoin reserve. So the states are pretty much saying that they want to hold Bitcoin on their reserves, man. And if these things get passed, there's going to be a crazy inflow of money into the crypto space. And I think a lot of people have yet to realize that retail is not back in the space yet. We have yet to reach that FOMO period. If everybody not talking about it, then we are still super early. We saw in 2021, everybody was talking about these meme coins. Everybody was talking about Doge, Sheep, Doge, Elon, whatever the case may be. We know everybody was buying those things. We have yet to get that same sentiment in the crypto space. And I think that's bullish because that gives us so much more time to dollar cost average. Now, we don't know truly when these projects will take off, but at the same time, like I said, with the macro environment going the way it's going right now, with states filing for Bitcoin reserves, with more people, more institutions, big money coming into the crypto space, I do believe retail money will follow soon after. But the beautiful thing about it, guys, we seeing it early. You know what I'm saying? We get an opportunity to get in under 10 cents for CRO. A lot of people won't have that opportunity in the future. So I look at it as a positive thing. People come into the space and they want to make money overnight. They think they're going to get rich overnight. But a lot of people will tell you, the people who actually made money, they held when nobody else wanted to hold this asset. So that's why I always say, man, just dollar cost average over long periods of time. Because even if you've been investing since, 2019, You could have got in at 1 cent. We are at 9 cents. So that's close enough to a 10x right there. You could have not easily, because it would have took you years to do that 10x. But if we compare it to things like the stock market, people wait lifetimes just to do a 10x in a stock. So we kind of got spoiled in the crypto space where we expect everything to just instantly go up. But if we just take a step back and look, we see these projects are super undervalued. I do believe that CRO can go back up to all-time highs and really go past all-time highs. Coming in, the all-time high was $19 billion as far as market cap goes. So we really can do a projected 10x from here. If we can hit a $20 billion market cap, $24 billion market cap, which I do believe is obtainable in this bull market, we can easily do that 10x, man. And like I said, with crypto.com building out everything, super bullish. And I want to just point out, man, that a lot of people don't realize all the opportunities that you have to make money on or in the crypto.com app. So we can see the XRP app campaign is ending on February 19th. You can win from $20,000 worth of Bitcoin rewards simply by building your XRP portfolio. Only the top 4,000 participants will be rewarded. So crypto.com continues to incentivize trading different cryptos on their platform, and not only that, giving away free money just by buying the cryptos that you was gonna already buy. And they're really trying to intrigue so many people to come onto the blockchain, bring more people to the platform so you can get these rewards. And that's why I believe that crypto.com, as far as their exchange goes, I do think the market share for it will continue to rise. Right now, Binance is the #1 crypto exchange as far as market share. Crypto.com is coming in at #2. But I do believe it can, get some more of the market share from Binance. I think right now it's about 13% that crypto.com has as far as market share goes. So once we hit that full-on bull market, I think it's going to hit very much different, man. It's going to hit different. And we really just got to be patient at these moments in the market, because a lot of people, like I said, are capitulating. They're selling like crazy. But that's just to shake you out. The big money is trying to shake you out, and they want to buy lower prices so they can get all the gains, man. Don't be the one to sell at a crazy loss, because I'm telling you, these prices will go up. Even if it's not this cycle, I do believe crypto.com is a long-term investment. Now, to some of the good stuff, man. Crypto.com AI Agent SDK. So good morning, developers. Are you ready for a revolutionary AI agent experience? Over the next 12 weeks, we'll introduce the new SDK upgrades and tips to help you leverage our AI agent. Here's a sneak peek of what we're rolling out. So AI Agent 2.0, we got the dynamic model selection, custom LLM configurations, custom plugins, upgraded AI logic loop. Then we got smart accounts and sleek dashboards. Execute transactions effortlessly with smart accounts integrated directly with our AI agent. Plus, access a new sleek interface to manage wallet users and API keys. Then we got custom functions. Make the agent truly yours, dynamically define and integrate custom functions, ZK Sync SSO. And this is just a preview, so stay tuned as we unveil each game-changing upgrade complete with tips to take your SDK experience to the next level. So we already know about AI agents, not too much, honestly, because AI is kind of new, fairly new to the crypto space. I do want to see how crypto.com plans to really integrate it, not only for the developers, but for the consumers or the users on the actual blockchain. I do believe AI agents will be a game changer, having an assistant on the blockchain to maybe make purchases for you, or maybe buy prices at a certain time or at a certain price. So it's so many things, different things that we'll be able to do with the AI agents. And I do believe we really just get started in this AI revolution. And we've been seeing a lot of projects come out with, or that has been based on AI. And with crypto.com really incorporating the AI sector into it, I do believe that's another reason why crypto.com will be successful successful in this bull market. Now, something else, man, crypto.com is honored to participate in the CFTC's CEO forum on digital asset markets pilot, so contributing to discussions on the tokenization of non-cash collateral, including stablecoins. So we look forward to working with the CFTC and Caroline DeFam to shape the future of regulated digital finance. And I said this a couple weeks ago. I said that crypto.com is really bumping heads with the right people, getting into the right rooms. We saw Chris took a picture with Donald Trump, and a picture totally, it don't mean nothing at all. But at the same time, just getting next to the person who runs the United States is something very much so big, and getting in those rooms to be able to, shape how we create regulations or how we view crypto in the United States. And we know it's been people in the government talking about how they want to keep crypto innovation in the United States, and that's very bullish. And it also was something, some ramblings, rumors going around that if you buy, crypto assets that are based in the United States, you don't have to pay capital gains tax. And if that is true, if they can put that into the makings where, that's an actual law, that will absolutely blow up crypto in the United States, keeping innovation on our borders. And not only that, that will help crypto.com, because we know crypto.com has a headquarters in the US as well. So super bullish on that, man. A lot of things going on in a pipeline for crypto.com. And last but not least, crypto.com exchange volume is pretty strong. So it's averaging about $13 billion per day. So in a total of 6 days, now this was about a week ago, but for the total 6-day count, it was $77 billion. The market is volatile, which might be which might be difficult to stomach, especially under, when prices are going down. But the more volume that's being pumped, the better for crypto.com. And in the long term, I do think this will help, crypto.com, because of all the incentives on the platform. I do think people are going to naturally flow into CRO once they see, all the things they can do just by holding CRO. Like I said, I will continue to say the airdrop arena is a game changer, because you can actually just continue to compound your account. All you have to do is buy CRO, and you put it in, lock it up for, I think, about 30 days, but you receive an airdrop. And what I've been telling people, when you receive that airdrop, sell it back into CRO, compound your CRO bag, and then just go and do the next airdrop, unless it's airdropping a crypto that you believe in the longevity of, you believe the long term of that project, then you might want to hold it. But that's a way to compound your CRO. And also that's a way for crypto.com to create less sell pressure for CRO. Now, a lot of people want a token burn. A lot of people are expecting that is in a roadmap. We don't truly know how much or what type of supply that they are going to burn when this burn happens. But when it does, I do think that it has to be done in the right time. A lot of people are trying to rush this process. I'd rather see a large token burn when we are in complete FOMO in the markets, because that's going to shoot CRO price up right at that time in the market. I think if we get a token burn right now, we might see some type of appreciation, but naturally people are going to sell because they've been waiting so long. But if you go in at the perfect time when it's FOMO, people are going to say, how long can this go, or how high could the price go for CRO if we do the token burn at the right period in the markets. Right now, I don't think it's the right period in the market. You guys let me know how you feel. Let me know, do you think we should do a token burn right now or wait it out? Like I said, me personally, I think we should wait it out until we hit that full FOMO. And I do think we will hit that full FOMO, especially going out of Q1. There was a lot of things in the air for the crypto space, but going out of Q1, I do think Q2 will be great for the crypto space. And we just really getting started, man. I don't think the bull market ends until, end of this year, going into 2026, and maybe even, a few months into 2026, because we have really haven't seen it. I remember last go around, end of 2020 going into 2021, it was crazy. It was like everybody was, euphoric. It was a euphoric feeling in the market. Everybody was making money. This time go around, it's not the same, man. Markets do change. I'm not going to say it's not. Crypto has matured. A lot of people are putting out some BS projects. I think, last go around, we did have more utility projects. Now the name of the game is, people are focused on the narrative. The narrative is meme coins and AI coins at the moment. And we have some dinosaur coins, some coins that have been around since the inception of cryptos that are, been dead since their inception 5 years ago or whatnot. And now they're coming back around and pumping. So we truly don't know what's going to happen in the crypto space. But at the end of the day, I do believe with CRO having so much utility, with crypto.com really building out and really following through with their roadmap, and then having the exchange continue to take more market share, I think we just super undervalued at these moments in time. I do see a potential 10x going in to this full-on bull market. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, turn on those notifications. And if I provided value to you today, leave a super thanks to support the channel, man. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.